Level 3 na tayo guys. Our topic today is about all of them in a single equation. So we proceed in quiz 1. So ayan. 6y divided by 4 minus 6 equals 6y equals. So find the y. So step 1, we need to add the 6 to both sides to remove negative 6 from the left. So 6 plus 6. So burahin muna natin yung y and then we copy the 6y divided by 4. And then 6y divided by 4 equals 6 plus 6 equals 12, positive 12. And then 6y equals, so we need to multiply the 4 from both sides. So 12 times 4. So 6y equals 12 times 4 equals 48. Oo, 48. Positive 48. And then we multiply it in, we divide it in 6. So 6 divided by 6 equals 1. So y, positive y, equals 48 divided by 6 equals positive 8. So our answer is positive 8. Next, 2y divided by 4 plus 8 equals 8. So step 1, we need to remove the 8 from the left by subtracting 8 from both sides. So yan. So 8, subtract natin ng 8, minus natin yung 8. So yung positive, yung plus 8 natin is magiging subtract. So yan, erase muna yung y, then copy the y, 2y divided by 4. So 2y divided by 4 equals, so subtract natin, 8 minus 8 equals 0. Then 2y equals, so 2y equals, so we need to multiply the 4 from both sides. So 0 times 4. So 2y equals 0. So 0 times 4 equals 0. And then, kahit i-divide natin yan ng 2 from both sides. So cancel. So y equals, so still 0 ang answer natin. So yan, 0 divided by 2 equals 0. So our answer is 0. So next. So next, negative 2x divided by 3 minus 6 equals 8. X equals, so we need to find the x. So step 1, we need to add the 6 to both sides to remove negative 6 from the left. So ayan, 8 plus 6. So, erase muna natin. So, yung negative 6 po natin is magiging positive 6 plus 6. Then, copy the 2x divided by 3 equals, so yan. So, negative 2x divided by 3 equals, so 8 plus 6 equals, ilan? 14. Then, negative 2x equals, so we need to multiply the 3 from both sides. So 14 times 3. Then negative 2x equals 14 times 3, 12, 3, 4, 42. Positive 42. And then we divide it in 2. So ayan, negative 2 divided by 2 equals negative x equals, so 21, positive 21. 42 divided by 2 equals positive 21. And then we can multiply it in minus 1. minus 1. So our x is become positive x, then equals. So the 21 is become negative 21. So our answer is negative 21. So next, 2y divided by 4 plus 6 equals negative 9. So we need to remove the 6 from the left by subtracting 6 from both sides. So yan. Negative 9 minus 6. So our 6 is become negative 6 minus 6. Then burahin muna natin yan. Then copy the 2y divided by 4. And then 2y divided by 4 equals, so negative 9 minus 6. So if the sign is same, we need to add and then keep the sign. So negative 9 minus 6 equals 15, negative 15. So 2y equals, so we need to multiply the 4 from both sides. So negative 15 times 4. Then 2y equals, so negative 15 times 4, 20, 4, 6, 60, negative 60. And then we divide it in 2. 2 cancel. So y equals negative 60 divided by 2 equals negative 30. So our answer is negative 30. Okay, next. 2y divided by 4 minus 8 equals negative 9. We need to add the 8 to both sides to remove negative 8 from the left. So negative 9 plus 8. Erase mo na yung y. Then 2y divided by 4. So 2y divided by 4 equals, so negative 9 plus 8. So kahit ang problem natin, solution natin is addition, so we need to subtract because our sign is opposite, and then follow the largest number. So negative 9 plus 8 equals negative 1. Then 2y equals, so we need to multiply the 4 from both sides, so negative 1 times 4. So 2y equals negative 4. Negative 1 times 4 equals negative 4. And then we divide it in 2. 2. So cancel. So y equals, so negative 4 divided by 2 equals negative 2. So our answer is negative 2. We need to add the negative 8 to both sides to remove negative 8 from the left. So ayan, brush muna natin. So 7 plus 8. So yung negative 8 natin is magiging positive 8 na siya. So burahin muna natin tong y. So we copy this to y divided by 4. So 2y divided by 4 equals 7 plus 8 equals 15. So 2y divided by 15. So equals 2 yan, equals yan, hindi dapat na ano yan. Nagburo na ka na. So equals 15 times 4. So 2y equals 15 times 4 equals 4 times 5, 20, 60, positive 60. And then we divided it in 2 in both sides. So 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So cancel natin. So yung y natin is 1 equals 60 divided by 2 equals 30. So positive 30 po yung answer natin. So ayan yung positive 30. Oh, ayan. Number 2 na tayo. 2x divided by 4 plus 8 equals 5. So 2x divided by 4 plus 8 equals 5. X equals, so find the x. So step 1, we remove the 8 from the left by subtracting 8 from both sides. So yan, 5 minus 8. So, burahin mo muna natin yan. So, yung positive 8 po natin is nagiging negative 8. So, yan. Then, we copy this to x divided by 4. Then, 2x divided by 4 equals, so 5 minus 8 equals negative 3. So, we follow the largest number. And then, we multiply the 4 from both sides. So, 2x equals negative 3 times 4. So, 2x equals negative 3 times 4 equals negative 12. And then, we've divided it in 2 from both sides. So, 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Cancel natin yan. So, ang magiging answer natin is x equals, so negative 12 divided by 2 equals negative 6. So, our answer is negative 6. So, ayan, next, number 3. Negative 2y divided by 4 plus 3 equals 7. So, y equals, so find the y. So, step 1, we need to remove the positive 3 from the left by subtracting 3 from both sides. So, yan. So, 7 minus 3. So, burahin muna natin yung y. So, copy the negative y divided by 4. So, yan. Negative 2y divided by 4 equals 7 minus 3, positive 4. So, we need to follow the largest number. And then, step 2, we need to multiply the 4 from both sides. So, negative 2y equals 4 times 4. So, negative 2y equals 16. And then, we divide it in 2 from both sides. So, ayan. So, negative 2 divided by 2 equals negative y. Ala, kulang na. And then, equals 16 divided by 2 equals 8. Then, we divided it in negative 1, negative 1. So, our answer is y equals 8 divided by negative 1 is equals negative 8. So, our answer is negative 8.
Yeah!